Hi guys, I'm Kanak. Welcome to my channel Ready Steady Eat. Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare mango mousse. This is the simplest mousse you can prepare at home without much of your efforts, time and ingredients. And as you all know, mangoes are in season, so let's see how to make this mousse. First up, dissolve the gelatin in the hot water and let it stand and mix for 5 minutes and keep it aside. Meanwhile, start whipping up your cream. Here I've already whipped up my cream. You can see. You can keep whipping it until you get soft peaks like this. Now keep this cream in the fridge till we finish with the other things, otherwise it will start melting in this summer. Next, puree the mango pieces in the blender along with the honey. This will help in adding the sweetness to the mangoes. If you want, you can also add some sugar or 2-3 tablespoons of condensed milk for extra sweetness and texture. Now in a bowl, mix the mango puree with the dissolved gelatin and mix it well with the help of a spoon or a spatula. Slowly mix it, and then once it is mixed nicely, now fold in the whipped cream slowly this way to completely mix everything well so that it gives out an even color and texture to it. Keep mixing it slowly and folding it. Now you can see it has come to one color and texture. Now pour this mango mousse in the individual dessert cups or any glasses or any bowls of your choice. And now I'm going to garnish it with some mango pieces on the top and a very few choco chips in the center, and refrigerate it for at least 6 hours or until it is set enough. So guys, my mango mousse is ready. As you can see, it's quite velvety and creamy in texture, and here I've used some honey for sweetness. If you want, you can also add some sugar. That depends on your choice, how much sweet your mangoes are. And one more tip I want to give you, if you want some more rich flavor, you can also go ahead and add some vodka, wine or any other alcohol of your choice, and you can just garnish it with any toppings of your choice. You can also put some dry nuts of your choice. So do try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. Also hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such lovely recipes.